Happy Valentine's Day. So, Valentine's Day is coming up, and we need to wish our database a happy Valentine's Day. So, I'm going to jump in. I'm going to show you how to do this using KvCore. Let's go take a look. So, we're going to get in here and we're going to go to All Marketing and Smart Campaigns, because Smart Campaigns is where we want to go. That's where we're going to find templates. We go into templates. So, now we're in templates. Wait for this to load. And now we're going to go in and we're going to add a template, and it's going to be an email template. I'm going to choose Advanced Editor. Just like that. Now, here's the thing. We're going to go in and we need to start off by naming the template. So I'm going to name it Valentine's Day 2023, and then my last name Dyer, and I do this so that when I search the database, the template database, I can find all of my templates. It's just easier to find. Now we need a subject line, and we're going to come in and say Happy Valentine's Day. Now let's get into some content. We're going to go over here and we're going to drag some text over. See how it lights up? Now our text is in. Now let's get a divider bar in there. Divider's in. How about an image? Image is in. And then maybe another divider bar. It's there. And now a button. All right, so I have text, image, button, couple divider bars. Now we need to go in and I prepared a little blurb for Valentine's Day. I'm going to select all the content that's in here. And now I'm going to put in my Valentine's Day greeting. Happy Valentine's Day to you. We hope this special day brings you joy, peace, and lots of love. Yada, yada, yada. That's not the important part here. I'm going to go here and say hello. And now I'm going to go in and put a merge tag in. I'm going to go first name. So now my first name merge tag's in. I'll put a comma in there. So now our blurb's in. Now let's go in and get a photo. Now I've already gone in and chosen a photo. And it's this one here. And how you get it in there, I'll show you real quick. You would go to the blue button to upload photo. You would find the photo. You would search for it, upload in progress. There it is. And then now that it's uploaded, I insert it. So now it's inserted. Lastly, let's go into this button. And I'm going to put, instead of button, I'm going to put contact me. And then over here, I want to put a URL in. So the URL that I want to choose will be from my EXP website. It'll be the contact me page for KvCore. I'll put it in there. And then lastly, blue. I don't like the blue, so let's change that color a little bit. Let's go with a pink. Okay. So I've already done this once, so I'm going to add one more thing, and I'm going to go version 2, because I already have version 1 in there. And now I'm going to add template. Template's in. Okay. So now that we've added the template, let's go to get this sent out. So I'm going to go to, what is it, marketing? Yes, all marketing. Schedule a mass email. Here's my Valentine's Day 2023. It's already in there, so I'm going to schedule an email. I'm going to go in and I'm going to choose statuses. And I'm going to put all my statuses in. You don't have to. You choose whatever you'd like. So on and so forth. You put them in. Now, when's it going to be sent out? Today at, let's say 4:30. 4:30 in the afternoon, typically the best time to send out a bulk email. And then we're going to go in and we're going to choose a template. Like I said, I put everything under Dyer so I can find it. You scroll through, here's all my templates, and there it is right there. It loads in. I'm going to preview it. And there it is. Hello, first name. Happy Valentine's Day. That's how easy it is to do. You need to schedule these for all of your holidays, special events that come up and that sort of thing. So kind of a longer video today, but this one's important. Go out there, take the 5 minutes it takes to schedule this, to make the template and schedule your email and send that out. And you'll be amazed at the response you get. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Follow me, share this with your friends, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks.